Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in our today's class, we are going to do exercise 12.4 question number 2. Use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of a number pattern. Okay, so this expression is given here and different terms are given here. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Their values are also given and few boxes are unfilled which we have to fill using this term. Okay, so the first expression, the expression is 2n minus 1, right? The expression is 2n minus 1 and the value of the first term given is 1. How this 1 came? Just see. What is the value of n here? N value is 1. For 1 because it is first term. So 1. 2 1s are 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That's why the value of the first term is 1. Similarly, when you put the value of n is equal to 2, that is second term, the answer will be 3. For the third term it is 5, 4. For fourth term it is 7, fifth term it is 9. Suppose this is a sixth term. Okay, then what would be the value of this sixth term? Then put the value 6 in place of n, in place of this expression n. 2 6 are 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So 11 would be the answer. Right? 11 would be the answer. But what we have to fill? We have to find the 100th term as given. We don't have to find this 11, 12 term. We have to find the 100th term when n is equal to 100. Then what would be the value of this expression? 100 minus 1 is equal to 200 minus 1 is equal to 199. So the answer is 199 would be the answer of 100 term. Okay. I hope you have understood this very well. Proceeding to the next question with the next expression, we have 3n plus 1. The next expression given is 3n plus, it is 3n plus 2. Yes. And for the first term, the value of this 3n plus 2 is 5. For second term it is 8. For third it is 11. Fourth it is 14. Now you have to find the value of the fifth term. Then what will be the value of n? When n is equal to 5. That is, you have to find the fifth term. Isn't it? So put the value of n is equal to 5. Then 3, 5 plus 2 is equal to 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17 would be the answer. So it is 70. So just see the gap. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17. So the sequence is correct. Alright, then what would be the value of the sixth term? If suppose we have to find the sixth term, then what would be the value? When n is equal to 6, then it is 3 6 plus 2. The expression is this only, 3n plus 2. So let me write here. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So 17 plus 3 is 20. So the answer would be 30. Here we have to find the value of the 10th term also. So we will put the value of n is equal to 10 here because we have to find the 10th value. Whichever term is mentioned there, you will put the value of n that only. 10 it is. 3 10s are 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2 is 32. Right? So it is 32. Here you will not count plus 3 because it is 6th term and it is 10th term. 7th term would be 33. Sorry, here I wrote 20. It is not 30, it is 20. Okay, this is 20. So we are finding there's a gap, no? 6th term it is and it is 10th term. So it is correct. So now we have to find the 100th term also, right? So when n is equal to 100, then 3 into 100 plus 2. 3 into 100 is 300 plus 2 it is 302 is the absolutely correct answer. So 302 would be the answer. Now next expression 4n plus 1. So for the first to fourth term is given, we have to find the fifth term. So 4n plus 1, the next term we have 4n plus 1, we have to find the fifth term. Okay, so what will be our n value? N value will be our 5. 4 into 4 plus 1. 4 4s is 16 plus 1 is equal to 17 is our answer. Okay, I have given the value incorrect here. The n value is 5. Okay, the n value is 5. 4 5 is 20. Yes, 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Sorry, here I have written incorrect value. That is 20. The value of the fifth term will be 21. The value of the fourth term already it is mentioned. Still I found which was 17. Again I wrote which is incorrect. The fifth term value will be 21. Okay. So let's find the 10th term now. If suppose we have to find the 6th term, then the answer would be 4 into 6 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. So the answer would be 525. If you have to find the 10th term, if suppose you have to find the 10th term, then 4 into 10 plus 1. This type of question may be asked as a MCQ type of a question. So you have to be very fast in solving this. Okay, 4 times is 40 plus 1. It is 41. Alright. So the answer here is 41. Okay. When you have to find the 100th term, n value is 100. Simple. Yes, n value is 100. When your n value is 100 and expression is 4n plus 1, then 4 into 100 plus 1 it is. 4 into 100 is 400 plus 1, which is 401. Yes, so write down the answer 401. Isn't it? Okay, so the last two are left. I want you all to solve it yourself. Okay, which is very easy. You have to find the fifth, sixth also you can find, 10 also you can find, and 100 term you have to find. In number 5 part number 5, you have to find 5th, 6th, 10th, not 100 term is already given there. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Few mistakes I have done here, which will be neglected by you people. Kindly rectify that. And now with this exercise, with this question, sorry, we are over with this exercise 12.4. Okay, in our next class, we will be proceeding with the next chapter. Okay, so stay safe and healthy and don't forget to practice. Okay, thank you everyone.